4 is, what is the doublet? Doublet means it's like this: 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, means same numbers on both the dice. Okay, so 2 dice thrown simultaneously. Total outcomes possible is 6 square, right? Outcome of 1 raised to how many dice are thrown? So 36. Required is doublet or total. Or means plus, right? So doublet means same numbers on both the dice: 2 2, 3 3, etc. So what are the cases of doublet? It can be 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. Okay, only these much possibilities are there for doublet. So mark this as equation number 1. Now total or second option is total is 4. So how can the total be 4? It can be by, suppose if there is 1 and 3, means 1 on one dice and 3 on the other die, then 2 2, right? Then 3 1. Only in these three cases the total can be 4, right? So this or this, but 2 2 is already taken by us in equation number 1. So remove 2 2 from here. In probability it cannot get repeated. So 2 2 is already taken, remove it. So total 4 is what? 1 3 and 3 1. So total possibility is 2. Mark this as equation number 2. So we want 1 or 2 means plus, or means plus. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Probability equals to required upon total. 6 plus 2 8 upon 36, right? So bring it to the lowest, 2 by 9. That's the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.